I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's new head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the 2019 Honda Accord. It's a mainstay of Honda's lineup, and in recent years, it's become something of an undercover performance car. Next, we have the fully redesigned 2019 Nissan Altima. Base models received a power bump, along with more standard creature comforts, and all-wheel drive is now available. First, let's look at powertrains. Honda offers three options for the Accord. Base models get a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder good for 192 horsepower, or a bigger 2-liter turbo 4 good for 252 horsepower. The smaller engine comes with a CVT, while the 2-liter gets a traditional 10-speed automatic. In a welcome surprise, opting for the Sport trim means there's a 6-speed manual on the menu. Plus, there's a hybrid option, which delivers an impressive 48 miles per gallon in combined EPA testing. In comparison, the 1.5-liter delivers up to 33 miles per gallon, while the 2-liter tops out at 27 miles per gallon. Nissan offers a choice of two engines, but there's no hybrid option. Base models come equipped with a 188 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder, which earned an EPA combined rating of 32 miles per gallon. The more powerful 2-liter turbo engine is good for 248 horsepower and delivers 29 miles per gallon in combined driving. Altima's new all-wheel drive option comes paired with the base engine, and with power at all four corners, still delivers 30 miles per gallon in combined driving. All models use a CVT transmission. This is a draw. Horsepower and fuel economy figures are similar, so buyers will need to choose whether they want a hybrid or all-wheel drive. Now, let's look inside the cabin. It's easy to see why the Accord has long been a benchmark in the mid-size sedan segment. Materials have a premium feel, and we particularly liked the refined look of the climate controls. The interior is also quite spacious, with rear seats offering 40 inches of legroom, and the trunk will accommodate nearly 17 cubic feet of cargo. The cabin of the Altima is also a nice place to be. The dashboard is sleek and modern, and the redesign is made for excellent visibility. But we think Honda has a slight edge when it comes to material quality, and at 35 inches of rear legroom, the Altima falls short of the Accord. With an available 15.4 cubic feet, trunk space is a closer contest, but Altima still doesn't match the Accord here. We think the roomy cabin, better materials, and larger cargo capacity make the Accord the winner. Infotainment tech is one of the most talked about elements of new vehicles, and both the Accord and the Altima deliver. Bluetooth and USB connectivity are standard on every Accord, as is a 7-inch display and 4-speaker sound system. It's an adequate setup, but tech-savvy customers will want to upgrade to a package with the 8-inch touchscreen, support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an 8-speaker system. In comparison, the Altima comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and 6-speaker sound system, along with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation and 9-speaker Bose audio system are also available, but even base models are loaded with handy tech. Boosting the cabin's tech was a major focus for Altima's designers, so Nissan takes the win here. From a safety standpoint, the Accord comes standard with high-tech features like forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking, and lane departure warning, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are optional extras. Automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning are also standard on the Altima, but features like lane departure warning are only available as part of a package that also includes pedestrian detection, a 360-degree camera, and adaptive cruise control. We think Honda's slight edge regarding standard safety gives it the win here. Now it's time to talk price. Pricing is so close here, we're going to call this a draw. The packages offer such similar benefits, the battle between Accord and Altima won't be won on price alone. This contest is razor close, but the Honda wins overall. We like the exterior styling of the Altima better, but found the Accord's driving dynamics superior, and appreciate that both the stick shift along with the traditional 10-speed automatic are available, while all the Nissans have CVTs. But if you're looking for all-wheel drive or need a hybrid, that'll make the decision between these two clear-cut. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Honda Accord and the Nissan Altima, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below. And also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.